Looking for the best Bosch random orbital sander for your next project? Stay tuned as we rank the top models from weakest to best. You won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with an older but still popular option, the Bosch ROS10. In today's ranking, it takes the bottom spot. Now, this sander has been around for a while, and for basic DIY projects, it can still get the job done. It's got a 2.5 amp motor and runs at a constant 12,000 orbits per minute. The dust collection is actually quite good for its class, and the microfilter canister does a solid job of keeping your workspace clean. It's durable and relatively quiet, though you will notice the weight compared to the newer cordless models. On the downside, there's no variable speed. It's heavier than most modern options, and some users have reported occasional quality control issues, like bearing noise or pad wear. It's also a corded tool, so mobility is limited compared to today's cordless sanders. If you're a beginner or someone who needs a basic, reliable sander for light weekend work, this could be an option. But if you're looking for versatility or modern convenience, keep watching, we've got much better picks ahead. By the way, you'll find links to all of these sanders at the best prices down in the video description. Check them out. Next up, we've got the GEX12V-5N, a super compact cordless option. Compared to the ROS10, this little guy is a huge leap forward in portability and ease of use. It's incredibly light at just 1.8 pounds, making it perfect for overhead work or tight spaces. The brushless motor is smooth and quiet, with a nice variable speed range. Plus, it connects to a vacuum or dust bag, so you stay cleaner while you work. The biggest trade-off? Battery life. You'll get roughly 10 minutes of sanding per small battery, which can be frustrating if you're working on larger pieces. And since it's a bare tool, you'll need to purchase batteries and a charger separately. This is a great option for quick jobs, cabinet work, or trim sanding. If portability matters to you, it's worth a look. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep making more reviews like this one. Moving up, the ROS20VSC takes third place on our list. It's a newer, more refined corded option that really shines in terms of versatility. This model gives you variable speed control, so you can fine-tune the power to suit your project. The soft start motor keeps vibration low, and the dust collection system is among the best of its class. Overall, it delivers a nice smooth finish, ideal for furniture or woodworking. Of course, it's still a corded model, and uses a brushed motor. It's also not the most powerful if you're tackling rough stock or heavy-duty sanding. For weekend warriors or hobbyists who want a good balance of control, comfort, and performance, the ROS20VSC is a solid pick. In second place, we have the GEX18V-5N, a powerhouse cordless model that brings corded level performance in a portable design. With an 18-volt brushless motor, this sander delivers excellent material removal and a smooth finish. The battery life is noticeably better than its 12-volt cousin, and at 2.4 pounds, it still feels light and maneuverable. Dust collection is also excellent, whether you use the bag or hook it up to a vacuum. Its main drawbacks? The side-mounted dust port can throw off the balance a bit, and again, you'll need to buy the batteries and charger separately. But for a cordless option with this kind of power and control, it's hard to beat. If you're a serious DIYer or a pro looking to cut the cord without sacrificing performance, this is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the top spot is the Bosch GET75-6N. This is a beast of a sander, and hands down the best on our list for serious woodworkers. With dual mode capability, it can switch between random orbit for fine finishing and turbo mode for aggressive stock removal. It's incredibly well built, with a die-cast aluminum housing and top-notch dust control. If you're sanding large panels, refinishing floors, or prepping surfaces for paint or polish, this is the tool to have. Now, it's a hefty machine at almost 6 pounds, and in turbo mode, you'll need 2 hands to control it properly. It's also on the expensive side. But if you want pro-level results, this is the best Bosch sander available. For professionals, furniture makers, and serious hobbyists, this sander is absolutely worth the investment. There you have it, the top Bosch random orbital sanders ranked from weakest to best. If you're ready to grab one for your shop, you'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews. See you in the next one.